Hi Year 2, Miss Warren here, and I am showing you your last session for maths this week. So let's have a look at what we should be doing. So today we are comparing fractions, and that means we will be using the equality sign to compare two fractions. Now, Miss Warren likes to refer to them as greedy crocodiles, okay? And the crocodiles always eat the largest amount, okay? So if the mouth is facing this way, we eat the big amount here, and if the mouth is facing this way, we eat the big amount over there. And then, of course, if the symbol is like this means equals. So that means it's the same on both sides. So let's have a look. If we had the crocodile eating number 8, that means what's on the other side needs to be smaller. So have a second to think. What could we put that's smaller than 8? So we could have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, couldn't we? So Miss Warren's going to pick 4. So 4, the crocodile's back is 2. He doesn't want 4, he wants the 8. And then the second example, if the crocodile is wanting to eat 10, that means he's not going to want 2, is he? And then if the crocodile doesn't want 100, he wants something bigger, we could put 110 in there. And then if we've got 5 here, and we've got the equal sign next to it, then there's only one number we could possibly have the other side. What's that number? It's 5, because both sides must be equal, the same value. And then here you can see it is blank. So let's pick any number. Let's pick 27. So if the crocodile would rather eat 27, we need a number that is smaller the other side. So let's pick 26. And then the other side of the last number sentence is the crocodile eating 2. 2 is greater than 1. So what number is 2 bigger than? It could be 0 or it could be 1. So let's do 0. So this is what the equality symbols look like with numbers. Now, if we were to look at them with fractions, we just need to put something the other side that makes the number sentence complete. So half of 10, if we know that mentally, that's fine. If we don't, then we can draw a bar, divide it into 2, and then share out 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1/2 of 10 is 5. And Miss Warren would recommend solving each side first. So this means the crocodile wants something bigger or greater than 5. So we could put 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's put 24. As long as it's bigger, it can be any number. And then over here, we've got 1/3 of 21. So again, we draw the bar, but this time we're going to divide it into 3 because it's a third and the bottom number, the denominator is 3. We share out our 21. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. And we count one side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1/3 of 21 is 7. So the crocodile is eating the 7, which is our answer. So that means we need something that's less than 7 on the other side. So we could put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's put 5. And then here we have a number sentence which says 3/4, because we're dividing it into 4, 3/4 of 12. So we divide our bar into 4, we share out 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And we're not just going to count 1/4, we are going to count 3/4. So that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that means my answer this side is 9. So if this side equals 9, then this side, oh, what can I put this side then? There's only one number it can be. That's 9, because 9 is equal to 3/4 of 12. So today we've got red, orange, green, and purple. So each time with the orange and the red, the bar is there for you. So you simply use the bar to solve the number sentence and then write your answer underneath. So half of 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is 5. And of course, if you knew that mentally, you can just write it underneath. And then if you draw a little N next to it, then the grown-ups who's looking at your work at school knows that you did it mentally, and that's fine. So then we have 1/4 of 16. So we divide the bar into 4, share out 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1/4 is 4. So what would the crocodile rather eat? What is greater? Half of 10, which is 5, or 1/4 of 16, which is 4? Obviously, it's going to be half of 10 because he'd much rather 5 fish than 4 fish. And then you do the same. Orange is exactly the same, but the halves and quarters are juggled around. Green, there isn't the bar there for you to use, but you can draw a bar if you need to, okay? And then purple is the same, except for the numerator, the number at the top is different. So when you draw your bar this time and you divide it into the bottom number, the denominator, we are going to count 2 sections rather than 1 for 2/3, okay? So I'll quickly show you this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. And I'm going to count all of them in here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So this side is 14. Oh, I can count in fives. So I know that 2/4 of 20 is, we've got 5, 10, 15, 20, and 2/4, 5 add 5 is 10. Or 2/4 is the same as 1/2. So if I know half of 20, sorry, is 10, that's my answer there. So what would the crocodile rather eat? 2/4 of 20 or 2/3 of 21. So he would much rather 2/3 of 21 because that's 14. And then that's it really. So look at the fraction, solve both sides, write it underneath, and then draw the equality symbol. And remember, the greater number, the bigger number goes by the opening of the crocodile's mouth. Okay, so that's it, my darlings. We are comparing fractions using the equality symbol. Now, if you get stuck, just email in. We will be more than happy to help.